Welcome back to Canadian Drivers. Guys, in this video, we're gonna cover front parking. Now, the reason that I'm doing this video so many times during the test, this has happened. Just before we getting into this video, guys, this video first of all will be uploaded on my Patreon. So if you would like to learn more and be more ready for the road test and see some of specific videos that are not on YouTube, link will be down below. Also, guys, if you're planning to go for the road test and you want to be more familiar with the location that you're going for the road test, join my YouTube members. It's gonna help you to understand what exactly examiners are asking and what to expect on the test. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna do front parking from the left side first, and also I will cover the right side. So guys, if you continue to watch this video and not skipping, you will learn how to do that. So let me start, and I'm gonna now explain first of all the positioning of the vehicle and what you have to do. Let's go. Now, signals, blind spots. Sometimes I see your comments, guys. Oh, you didn't check the blind spot. Oh, you did that. I will do everything now so you will understand and you will not have any questions. Now, when examiner asks, and now I'm going to share with you some simple secret. If you're going to do that, you will never have a problem. Now, if examiner asks you, park anywhere on the left. If you have so many empty spots, don't keep on going and find where it's going to be difficult for you to park. So as you can see, there is empty spots I can do easily, so I don't need to go too much forward. I just choose the first spot. So if you're parking on the left, the first thing you have to pay attention is how you're positioning the vehicle. The wider you're going to be, the more space you have. So just make sure that don't look at the spot in the beginning, look where you're going. Number one, can be pedestrian. Number two, there's gonna be a car pull over in front of you, and you, because you're looking here and keep on going, the car will be in front of you, and the examiner, if he has the brake, he will apply the brake, and that's automatically foul. So now, what I'm going to do is this. I choose already the spot. So if I choose the spot on the left, what I do, the first line before my spot, I need to line up approximately the shoulder. And that's, if you can see clearly from here, the first line before my spot. So that's gonna be the first line. I will park next to that spot. Now, signal. Make sure you're checking what's going on the back. Look over the shoulder. And here is the secret. Do not turn the wheel before you're moving in. If you do that, you will be very close to the left lane. So remember, turn as you go. So what I do, I release the brake and I turn all the way to the left. And as you can see here, I am slowing down, very slow, not touching the gas at all, just controlling the speed with the brake. And now when the car is moving, I am simply recovering, done. That's the only thing you have to do. So if you turn, if you're lining up your shoulder to the line, and if you're turning before you're moving, you will be close to the left. If you rolled and you didn't turn as you're rolling, you will be close to the right side. Only if you're parking on the left. Now I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to park on the right. So works the same, but there is a big difference. And what's the difference? And in the end of the video, I will do the same steps, but beside the car, so you can see how it works. Here, what I'm doing, I'm going to park now on the right side. So the most important thing here, what you have to do, because on the left, I already have enough room, here, I need to adjust myself to get in. So as long as nobody is coming from the other side, I can move closer as long as there is nobody. So if there is a car, you just wait Now I have enough room when I'm turning. So this side, because the camera is pointing towards me, you cannot see exactly how far I am, but you can judge by the lines that are on the left. So the same thing, the first line that I am approaching my shoulder, the next spot will be mine. So signal, shoulder check, making sure no cars, no pedestrian, because I am on oncoming traffic, and it doesn't need to be taking too long. I'm just explaining that's why it takes a little bit longer. And I release the brake and I turn all the way in my car to the right, and when I'm in, I am slowing down and I stop. Done. That's the only thing, guys, you have to do when you do the front parking. You don't need to shift towards the gas. You don't need to be touching the gas at all, because this is what happened. People are missing the pedals and stepping on the gas. Front parking, reverse parking, parallel parking. All of my students, they know one thing: do not touch the gas. So now I'm gonna go now and I'm going to do the same thing, but now I'm gonna line up just beside the car so you can see how easily it's going to be. So we're gonna keep on moving.
Sorry, could you say that again?
We're gonna keep on moving and let's find the spot that is going to be on the right side. So I'm gonna go even harder. I'm gonna do in between these two cars. So guys, you will see exactly the same thing. Line, there is two cars. Also guys, when you're approaching and you're trying to do the front parking in between two cars, make sure that you're checking how the cars that already parked, if they are too close, if they are close to the line, so you will know how to adjust. So the same thing, I'm releasing the brake, I'm turning. This is the in between the two cars. I don't do anything extra, and I am parked. Done. The key is to go slow. Not only that, as you can see, there is a car beside me, there is another car beside me, and I park on the right side. So the key is here: cover the brake only, because if you by mistake shifting and you thinking that you are touching the gas, for example, touching the brake, for example, but your feet is covering the gas, it's going to be a very bad situation. So guys, what I want to say, simple: you don't need to step on the gas, cover the brake, let the car roll, adjust. On the test, if the examiner asks you park anywhere on the left or park anywhere on the right, make sure you are finding the spot that it's easier for you. If they don't specify the spot, just park anywhere that close to you. And remember, first line before your spot, you lining up, you checking the shoulder, you making sure nobody behind you, you let the car roll, and you parking the car. That's how simple it is. And if you been in the situation that you failed the test because of the parking, let me know in the comments. Guys, that's going to be the end of the video. If you would like to join my Patreon or join my YouTube members, you can find all the links in the description. If you would like to have a mock test for free on me, on Alex, the only thing I want you to do is write subscribe, capital letters. Let me know when is your test, which location you're going, and just to be agreed to be on my video, to be agreed to be on my channel, and I will be happy to give you a free mock test.